Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and you'll have to excuse the pointer for this video. The Harley Davidson blank spoke is not going to be quite long enough, so now I've got a long road holder stanchion. We've just been to Stafford and we've had several questions on the Mark III that we took with us that was fitted with the luggage system. Now, some of you may have seen this video where we've actually shown the fitting of the system, but we've had several questions. Not so much about the fitting, but they want to see the layout of it all laid out before they actually fit it. And there has been some other queries as well from the people that have actually bought it and tried to fit it as well. We've also had other inquiries from people that have got BMWs, KTMs and Moto Guzzies and those type modern bikes that have a Hepco and Becker luggage system. Right, one of the first questions we had, does this system fit the Atlas? No, it doesn't. It was only designed to fit onto the Norton Commando. It will fit all the Norton Commandos from 1968 to 1975. Now, as you can see, the luggage here is all laid out. On the actual luggage itself, this is the Hepco and Becker Junior range. So if you've got any of these cases that are soft cases, hard cases, touring cases, and they've got the fitting system the same as the Hepco and Becker Junior range, which most of the Hepco and Becker range has, they will fit this system. So if you've got a BMW and you've got these type luggage containers with this type of fitting, they will fit onto the Norton Commando rack. They are quick release. They come with a key and they lock on. The racket system itself, this is all laid out here, which we'll get some close-up shots later. One of the things that we have had is people will query this cap screw, Allen screw, whatever you wish to call it, depending where you are in the world. Does it fit through that hole? Yes, it's supposed to fit through that hole there. We'll get some close-ups to show you. We have one customer where he tried to fit this, but his exhaust brackets were too thick and it wouldn't allow to get the nut on the back sufficiently. There is no problem. If you don't want to use that cap screw or Allen screw, you can use something else like a mushroom type headed socket screw with a larger diameter head or a washer underneath it as well. It does not matter what you want to use in that position. You can also see that we've also got a bracket. This bracket here is only used on the Mark III Commando, and it's an adaptation that allows you to convert the Mark III Commando to the pre-Mark III seat fitting system. The reason we do this is because with the luggage on, the seat won't hinge up properly when you've got the actual luggage system fitted. Now, the keys. It come with a key. Let's see if I can find the key. The red keys. Now the red key, we'll get some close-ups. This is different for the panniers than it is for the top box. However, what we can do is if you order the set, we can match the keys to the top box and the pannier set for you to save you having two different keys. Right, that concludes the first part of this video. What I'll do is fit the luggage to the actual bike, and then I'll open it up so you can see inside to give you an appreciation of how much space you've got in each container. As you can see, with the actual panniers and the top box fitted, it's actually quite a smart looking system. This was something a lot of people commented on when we were at Stafford. Some people will question, do you have to buy all three items? No, you don't. You can buy just the rack and the top box, or just the top box and the two panniers, depending on the sort of riding you're doing and where you're going to be riding. We also do a 40 litre pannier, which sticks out even further. For most of us in the UK, all well and good until you meet traffic and you can't filter because your bike's too wide. And when I mean wide, they are very wide, with two fitted to the bike. That concludes another lecture on the Hepco and Becker luggage system. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to contact myself and Simon at Andover Norton. And if you've bought the system and you need more photographs when you come to fit it, please get in touch and we'll come down, take photographs and send them to you. Thank you very much.